Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here, and I have a book that you didn't expect me to write. It's called How Do I Do That in My Tesla? Why am I writing a Tesla book? Well, I've been owning Teslas for 10 years, and in my family, my wife and myself and my daughter, we're on Tesla number 14. And I've learned so much about it. It's amazing how much your Tesla will do. For example, did you know that there are speakers under your Tesla? And you can step out of your Tesla and play music outside your car. You can have a party wherever you are. It's stuff like that, but there's almost 300 pages in this book. You just turn to a page, it explains that one particular thing, shows you exactly how to use it in plain English, but there's a lot of techie stuff too. And I'm not that great at the techie stuff, but I know someone who is, and that's why I got a co-author, my dear friend and Tesla fanatic and absolute Tesla expert, Mr. Terry White. Terry, take it away.
Hey, what's up everybody? Terry White here, the co-author of the brand new book, How Do I Do That in My Tesla? It's packed with quick, easy answers to the most common and not so common Tesla questions. I wrote the more technical chapters, like how to really take advantage of the Tesla mobile app. Here's a quick tip. Did you know you can schedule your Tesla to precondition the cabin's climate based on your location at a specific time? That way it's cool in the summer or warm in the winter before you head to work or head home. This tip and hundreds more like it are waiting for you in the book. Grab your copy today and start getting more out of your Tesla.
Well, thanks, Terry. This book is available right now. It's in bookstores everywhere. Get your copy of How Do I Do That in My Tesla, the book that teaches you how to do the things that you want to do right now and a ton of stuff you didn't even know how to do. Go check it out.